Ngun kesida apotu olomutu koto mai tutuor na da shisha na kinere imwali mun akronu ikamara keda adingirir koto Isomeroi.
To release them in the air. The reason being there's a force of gravity. If you release it near it, then it will land very fast. If you release them at an angle, it moves the distance. By the time it comes, it has covered what? The distance. And that's why we have what we call the full stretch. When you are releasing, it must be a force from all the joints and it must be a full what? Stretch.
Aitolosho na Aboliasio koto Isomeroi nesejai unebe ebuni Aikeun Atalantan kanejasi Apolonak Nicholas Opio Loda Epolokit aina petanu Aboliasio Kosoroti district ngesi lipit engarni kinto Isomeroi anyinebe Aboliasio nesi ibwe kintai adoketanu kokuju
Yenon velolo era tamuna soditna anangin tamuna sodite ducha kerit duelo primary kerete akerne nyarta kidis athletics ana kertingin Uganda kere betaji auto kitugum lolana gara kany to natom na kanyape an lolo nesjar sakapakin ay nakni mwalimu kosi skills ana ba ina ni kasa chowa ipol lo kosa itemono kini kosi duwe tetara dumune timu ay penare timu le betsa ngara gwe kine discourse angina o kitugum
ai tutoringin nada Apollo kit Joffrey opera loda erai etutoron loti koteso nesida jai kina esishiak akwatare kolomnitos Isomeroi lwegelegela luka primary Kosoroti district.
We should make sure that we get the correct technique of baton exchange so that we are able to teach our young children so that they get the correct skills that will enable them perform to their best, and then we become the best and the champion of 2024.
Aina peta ngon nesi etolo si districtal Kosoroti kanu aitolot Aboliasio nuko primary cheko toma umwalimun loda jai kina aitutoringin kesi apotu ikeontu nota
training lo. In fact, I joke on Sinoi, and Ubere Soli da Pakima mi samate training. Adudu nusa kojo, Arionora jar, a pupido of a lima jarakere.
A lepto dongi kamolimunka comrades Tomasom, Hebe, Eraina Pelocosi, Anino Ben, ni Dasadumna ne, Alosite Tetumor, Kedek Tomasom is so it. Tidder so when you be, Nue Pelo, ne Kotapuga and Nejaso carried to Dulkin.
Isomeroi luka primary kesi kotoma atamuna sodit itolo senete Aboliasio nu adingirir kano Idwe lu ikarito monare kedito monangon Francis Ao Road Egrigran lo Aboliasio kotoma tukot nada edukurtos Isomeroi luko primary Kosoroti district ngesi keuntebe rasinguna inapeta nuda ibusa kit ngini Isomeroi kere aitolot.
So training le pola de parinoi wa just refreshing because mwalimu naje kimero bubanyu mbebie gente lemni just lemseki kede atakini body disul kupana ya pugano ikazala kede no kirlin kede station le Idwe kede activities ne beti baso karulo competition le beta je kini kitugum so ajeni panengo eribor ne pola no kecha de parinoi ngara kini kesi districtal ko kitugum nese ebuni IC page Aboliasio nuka primary ko Uganda kere kotoma doketait na adingirir Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East ko ibuga soroti.
Now, you have to know the runway, you have to draw it very well, and then you make the children practice. After the drills now, you bring them now and they begin handling the real javelin if it is there.